So thanks for joining us at our Crop Skills Challenge at Husker Harvest Days this past week. I'll go over the disease and yield estimation portion of the challenge. For the diseases, the first one was white mold in soybeans. Characteristics included white, cottony, mold growth. The second disease on corn was southern rust. Southern rust has small circular pin, head-shaped pustules, different from common rust, which is elongated, blocky pustules. The third one, it was corn, it was tar spot. This characteristics include small, circular, tar-colored fungal fruiting bodies on the leaves. The fourth disease was wheat, fusarium head blight. Symptoms include blotching of a portion or all of the head. And the last one was soybean sudden death syndrome. Characteristics include chlorotic yellow spots on the leaves between the veins.
So for the yield estimation, basically what I did was went out and collected 5 ears from the field. I also counted the number of harvestable ears in an area that's 1/1000th of an acre. For a 30-inch row spacing, this would be 17 feet, about 5 inches. Again, 31 harvestable ears. Then you would go down and count the rows and the kernels on the ear and multiply those two numbers. That would give you kernels per ear. You can take an average of all 5 ears to get a little more accurate number. You can do more than 5 if you want. And since we're dealing with 1/1000th of an acre, when we multiply 31 times the number of kernels per harvested ear, we divide by 85. And that number basically represents 85,000 kernels per bushel. And that number could range from 70,000 to about 90,000 depending on kernel size. So if you have smaller kernels, be pushing up around 90,000. Larger, longer, thicker kernels would be down closer to 70 or 75,000. So yeah, 31 times the number of kernels per ear and divide that by 85, and I came up with about 240 bushels. In terms of grain moisture, again, I harvested these ears the day before Husker Harvest Days, took them to one of the local vendors and had them run the test through their moisture tester. The first day was 15.5 or 15.4% moisture. The second day we were closer to 15%. So